Pequot at Whittier. Pequot at Whittier is a shopping mall in Whittier, California. It was built in 1953 and expanded in 1965 with the addition of a May Company California department store. Arcadia-based Hinshaw's and Pasadena-based Nash's were other major tenants. After the center was destroyed by the 1987 Whittier Narrows earthquake, its owners began renovating it as a strip mall. Hinshaw's, the only store not affected by the earthquake, closed in 1992. The current shopping center includes Burlington Coat Factory, which opened in 1999, in the old Hinshaw's, Michaels, Old Navy, Ruby's, Ross Dress for Less Staples, Rite Aid formerly Thrifty Drugs, Vallarta Supermarkets formerly Ralph's, Olive Garden, Chili's, and TJ Maxx. References equals